court is only this small, but you still can't seem to reach the shot in time. Well, no, it's not because you're a fat bag. Today I'm going to be showing the 6 essential footworks that you'll need to running effectively on the court, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and watch at the end of this video. Our first corner is going to be our backhand forehand corner, okay? So for this footwork, we're going to start in our neutral position. So we're going to stand side to side with our right foot slightly forward. Now in order to start this footwork, what we want to do is we want to turn our body in this direction, and from here we're going to do 2 shuffles. So it's going to be 1, 2. And this is going to be our position to hit our shot. After we hit our shot, we're going to be doing a scissor kick forward and we just walk back to center. Okay, so again, we turn, shuffle, 1, 2, hit our shot, turn, and we walk back to center. And all together, it should look something like this. When we're practicing this footwork, we want to make sure that our first step is pushing off with our left foot so that we can go into our shuffle. So we turn, push off with our left foot and go into our shuffles before we hit and come back. Our second corner is going to be our backhand overhead corner footwork. Now we're not going to teach you the backhand footwork yet because if you're a beginner, you should learn how to hit the forehand. So for here, instead of pushing off with our left foot first, instead we're going to be pushing off with our right foot to turn us into the position going that way. And we're going to do the exact same thing. Shuffle, 1, 2, hit, and then just walk back to center. So again, push off with our right foot, which is going to turn our body, do our 2 shuffles, hit, and then come back to center. And then all together, it should look something like this. Our third footwork is going to be our side forehand drive or defense footwork. Now from here, we start from center position, we jump and we push off our left foot to just take 1 step to our right and stand in our lunge to hit our drive or our defense. Now for our forehand, if we want the option to take an extra step, we can. And that's going to be push off, we lunge, do a smaller lunge, push off, step, and then support into lunge, okay? So it's gonna be push off into a small step, and you left foot support into a full lunge. So all together, it should look something like this. So this is the 1 step, and this is the 2 step. If you want access to a free online badminton academy with personal coaches and custom training plans, then click the link down below. Our fourth corner footwork is going to be the exact same thing, but on the backhand side. So again, instead of pushing with our left, we push with our right. Now on the backhand side, we can only take a lunge and we can't take extra steps. So we push off with our right foot into our lunge and then we hit. Okay? Push off with our right into a lunge and then we hit. And all together, it should look like this. So our fifth corner is going to be our forehand front corner. Now this is going to be super easy. Starting in our neutral position, pushing off with our left foot, we just take a simple 1, 2, 3. And on your 3, you're walking, you're doing 1, 2, lunge. And right before you take your 1, we just push slightly off with our left foot so we build momentum. Go 1, 2, 3. And all together, it should look like this. When we're doing this lunge, you want to make sure when you're landing, you are landing on your heel in the lunge, okay? And after you land on your heel, when you come back, you can slide your foot in a little bit to bring your momentum back, and then you can just walk back to the center. And the last corner you'll need is, of course, your backhand front court. Now, it's going to be same but different as your forehand. This, instead of starting in our neutral position to go right away, we want to first turn in that direction, okay? So we use our right foot to push off and turn in this direction before we start our 1, 2, and lunge. And this is super important. You may see people not turning. There are a lot of types of footwork that you can do, but right now we're teaching you the most basic neutral footwork. So what do you want to do? Push off with the right foot, face in the direction, and then take your 1, 2, and lunge. Those are the essential 6 corner footworks that you need to know to start your badminton footwork journey, to start moving on the courts like you're just flowing like water. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.